True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome to the channel. Yeah man, this is your tour guide Fire Reid. So I am in the Mayday area. I'm gonna make a left turn. It could take us to Mayday High School. So big up on yourself anyone that watch on my paper. So view the Mayday area. So this is part 2 of the video. You're seeing Mayday from a different angle. Yeah man, so this is the part 2 of the video. So big up on yourself anyone that watch from and the Jamaican tour guide Fire Reid. Showing you what I go on for the countryside there. In Mandeville, Manchester. I think them call the road there Palm Road. Yeah man, Palm Road them supposed to call the road there. Think but it's in the Mayday though, them call it Palm Road. So on your left, that is where you have the Mayday High School. Sign to welcome to Mayday High School. Yeah man, some just again a look of view in the area, show you what I go on. So the street that I'm on right now, I'm on the Bottom Albion Road. Yeah man, I'm calling place the Albion. So you can leave in the comment section and tell me what I go on if you don't like that area. You know, say on the tour guide Fire Reid this. The #1 tour guide who taking over Jamaica, showing what I go on in beautiful Jamaica. Yeah man, I love my country, so I will show my country in a positive way. We have a lot of negativity, but it's just reality, you know. Reality. people them a show the town areas them, you know. What about the countryside, the rural areas in Jamaica? You have to show the people them say, yeah, we have nice rural areas in Jamaica. So when you're in the Albion area, it's about roughly 10 minutes drive to Mandeville town, normal speed. If you make the left turn, it will take you all to the Adventist church in bottom Albion. So big up all of the Albion people, them big up on yourself. No enough on overseas. Hopefully we get to see that video here. Big up on yourself, man. You know, say a long time you know see in the community. Get the chance to see what go on. The Albion, Manchester. So guys, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.